WWE's biggest ever event, WrestleMania XL, is now a part of history books. The dust has settled, and Cody Rhodes, the American Nightmare, is the undisputed WWE Universal Champion. Roman Reigns has gone on a long hiatus, and there's no news on when he will be coming back to WWE TV. The entire build-up to WrestleMania XL's main event was Cody Rhodes' big feud against the Bloodline, The Rock and Roman Reigns. Though Cody Rhodes feuded with the Bloodline in storyline, it seems like the feud happened in real life as well. It's time to discuss the 3 biggest reasons why I believe that Cody Rhodes has real life heat with The Rock and Roman Reigns. The first reason is that Roman Reigns didn't even wait backstage to meet Cody Rhodes after his undisputed WWE Universal Championship win and immediately left the stadium. On a recent edition of the SI Media podcast, Cody Rhodes revealed that Roman Reigns was nowhere to be found after he returned to the gorilla position backstage. Here's what he said. "I'll say this, when you do something so special and epic, and I'm specifically talking about his run as champion, when you change the landscape of a company, when you help better the locker room situation for the talent surrounding you, when you bring the entire tide up for one company, which Roman Reigns did, and then you are part of something like WrestleMania 40. I believe it was the 9th or his 10th main event of a WrestleMania. You are part of that in the oldest of ways. This might sound odd, we don't need to have a moment. He was nowhere to be found in gorilla position when I got back, and I look forward to when we actually do have that moment and get to see one another." Judging by Cody Rhodes' comment, it seems like Roman Reigns was pissed off in real life after losing the undisputed WWE Universal Championship to the American Nightmare, and felt like he didn't need to meet him backstage after the big win. The second reason why Cody Rhodes might have real life heat with Roman Reigns and The Rock is the entire fiasco surrounding Cody Rhodes' gift to Roman Reigns and The Rock. Mere days before WrestleMania XL, Cody Rhodes gifted Rolex watches to Roman Reigns, The Rock and Seth Rollins. At this point, it has been confirmed that on the Raw after WrestleMania, The Rock gave back the Rolex watch to Cody Rhodes. A heartfelt gift given to the Great One by the American Nightmare was returned. Shortly after, The Rock posted a video on Instagram and wrote the following: "Open your hand and you take your gift back. Do it again and I'll make you bleed even more. You hear me, boy? See you down the road." In a recent interview on Busted Open Radio, Cody Rhodes opened up about The Rock giving him his Rolex watch back on the Raw after WrestleMania. Here's what Cody Rhodes said. "I tried to make a positive overture, an olive branch to The Rock and the 7 Bucks team, because I have an immense respect for what they have done. They set the table so that I can eat at it. He did not feel that that was a positive overture and handed it back to me. That's the best I can give you." This further confirms that The Rock was genuinely pissed off that Cody stole his main event of WrestleMania XL against Roman Reigns. This brings us to the final point. The final reason why The Rock and Roman Reigns have real life heat with Cody Rhodes. Brian Gewirtz, former WWE writer, is now The Rock's writer. He is very close to The Rock in real life and is a best friend to him. In a recent interview on The Masked Man show, Brian Gewirtz expressed his frustration over Cody Rhodes' promo on that infamous episode of SmackDown, where he handed his main event of WrestleMania XL to The Rock. Fans are aware that Cody Rhodes didn't look happy one bit over giving his WrestleMania main event spot to The Rock. According to Brian Gewirtz, the original script stated that Cody Rhodes had to look happy while giving away his WrestleMania main event spot to the Great One, but he didn't. Here's what Brian Gewirtz said. "Cody is a human being who is genuine and real, and he wears his heart and emotions on his sleeve. If you read the transcript, you are like, Nixon kicked Kennedy's ass. But if you watch it, it's like, oh, he was a sweaty, terrible mess. He looked like someone shot his dog in the face in the parking lot. That I don't think helped matters. I don't blame Cody for that. He's real. He's one of the realest people I've ever met. We could push forward like WWE has often done, or we could do something pretty incredible." Fans were incredibly angry over The Rock taking Cody Rhodes' main event spot, and WWE's video of SmackDown made history for all the wrong reasons. It became WWE's most disliked video in history. WWE later had to pivot and give Cody Rhodes back his WrestleMania main event spot. Judging by Brian Gewirt's comments, The Rock wasn't happy at all over the fan backlash that he received after he took away Cody Rhodes' main event spot for WrestleMania XL. In the end, it proved to be the right decision because it gave fans Hollywood Rock back again. It also gave Cody Rhodes his first WWE World Heavyweight title in the form of the undisputed WWE Universal Championship. What do you think about this analysis? Does Cody Rhodes have real life heat with the Bloodline, The Rock, and Roman Reigns? Let us know in the comments.